So what's going on guys, it's me Fateh here from Techie Squad, and today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to install the Viper4Android on any Android device including the upcoming Android 11. So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So guys, first of all what you gotta do is just go ahead and download the Viper4Android APK file from the link which is given in the description down below. And after downloading it, just go ahead and install it up. Once you are done installing it, open the Viper4Android and then it will ask you to install the required drivers. Just hit OK to proceed. And after that, grant the root permission. And after granting the root permission, your phone will proceed to install the required drivers for the Viper4Android, and then just wait while it restarts your phone automatically. And after restarting the phone, you are pretty much done. Now you have the Viper4Android fully working on your Android device. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, drop a like and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And it's me Fateh Ahmed from Techie Squad leaving for the moment.
Repetition, sharp and blaze. Like me, she my serving up every single plate. The hottest in the season, even summer looks away. Cause I got something to prove. I'm here cause I pay my